Jiangxi Shicheng County Mining Machinery Factory is a professional metallurgical mineral processing machinery and equipment enterprise integrating scientific research, manufacturing, sales, and on-site tracking services. The company has been engaged in the design and production of mineral processing equipment products for many years and has accumulated rich design and production experience. The company continues to innovate, strives to develop high-tech mineral processing equipment, and is committed to creating an excellent brand. The main products manufactured are gravity mineral processing equipment, flotation equipment, crushing and grinding equipment, magnetic separation equipment, grading equipment, conveying equipment, and other series. The company's products are widely used in the selection of gold, silver, copper, tungsten, tin, tantalum, niobium, manganese ore, and other rare metals and precious metal ores, and for the flotation of non-ferrous, ferrous, precious metal minerals, etc. The company has won the Excellent Enterprise Award many times and has been rated as a contract-abiding and trustworthy unit and an advanced after-sales service unit many times. It is a backbone enterprise of mineral processing machinery in the metallurgical industry. The company's products have been sold all over the country for many years, especially gravity mineral processing equipment has been exported to Southeast Asian countries. Due to its superior product quality, reliable performance, and good after-sales service, it enjoys a good reputation among the majority of users.